Yeah, so I'm just on this roof here and setting up to insulate it, and I've just slid this sheet out so you can see there. I actually just leave a one screw in the corner up there, and then that way I can swing the sheet out. And I've managed to find the join here, which is a bit of experience and a bit of luck. But the interesting thing I wanted to show you is you can see these holes here. They're all the screw holes, right? But you see that hole there? That's a mouse nest, right? So even in the rolled blanket underneath your iron, mice will run through and build a nest under it. See this? That's the droppings in there, and he's just had his nice little home up in under here, nice little insulated home in the Anticon blanket. So fiberglass blanket is, you know, very often full of mice nests and rat nests and that, and if you don't put it under your roof, there's nowhere for them to live. So once you put this type of stuff on your roof, there's lots of places for mice and rats and things to live. And so the cellulose fibre that we pump on the inside, that's loose filled, and so that's not going to actually have any mice or rats nests in it. I've never ever seen one build nests in the cellulose fibre, but almost every job that I come to that's got fiberglass has got these little rats nests in them. And see, there's his hole there where he climbs through and back out through there.